Gently pierce 8 to 10 peeled garlic cloves. This allows the Manuka to penetrate the dense structure of the garlic. Place the cloves in a clean glass jar. Pour your Manuka until they are fully submerged. Seal the jar securely. For the first 7 days, you need to burp the jar to release the CO2 and flip it daily. This prevents dry spots, ensures the enzymes are interacting, and keeps the garlic submerged. Leave about an inch or two of headspace at the top to prevent overflowing and make the daily flipping much easier. Watch for tiny bubbles and a thinning of the honey. This tells you the wild yeast and enzymes are biologically active. Precision matters. Store this in a dark cupboard at room temperature and never in the fridge, or you'll stall the enzymatic process. If you see fuzzy mold or smell anything off or rotten, toss it. Do not try to scrape it, fix it, or save it. And once you hit that 10-day mark, your ferment is ready, but it isn't finished. Keep it out of the direct sunlight. UV rays can degrade the antioxidants in the garlic and the delicate MgO in your Manuka. And as long as the garlic remains submerged, this ferment will last for a year or longer. The flavors will only get deeper and the medicinal profile more complex over time. This is a supportive tool inside a broader health system. And for general healthy adults, a common practice: 1 clove daily with a meal. You can eat the clove alone with a little infused Manuka right off a spoon or stir it into warm tea. And while you could take a clove and a spoonful of the honey right off the spoon, I like to integrate this into functional meals. Drizzle the infused Manuka over a roasted sweet potato. The fiber and healthy fats in the potato act like a perfect delivery vehicle for the SAC and MgO. And for a true decadent moment that respects your biology, try a sliced clove over high quality vanilla ice cream. The sweet balsamic flavor of the black garlic and the medicinal floral notes of the honey create a gourmet experience that doubles as a health ritual.